Okay, I've been putting this off way too long, but today is the day. I'm doing a full spring closet reset, storing away winter clothes, decluttering pieces that don't fit or feel aligned with my style anymore, and donating anything that's just taking up space. Let's make room for new energy this season. Hi, I'm Taya. I'm a travel content creator, and I post weekly videos inspiring other content creators how to elevate their brand, land paid collabs, and travel more. Y'all, it is the end of April, so it's pretty much May, and I don't know about you, but Atlanta gets hot fast. It'll go from being cold to that awkward phase where it's cold in the mornings and then hot in the afternoon to just being hot all day. So I've been struggling to kind of find things to wear as it's been getting warmer because I don't want to wear a cardigan or a long sleeve because it's too hot for that. And so I realized that now is officially the time where I need to go through and put all of my fall/winter clothes up and bring out my spring/summer clothes. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I have to go through my summer clothes, go through the winter clothes as I'm putting them up, and see what I don't need anymore, what doesn't match my style. So this is how my closet currently looks. It's not bad, but it is a little chaotic, just a tad. So as I'm switching things out, I want these summer clothes to feel more aligned with the style I'm going for, which is going to be kind of tricky because my style is old money and I know I have a lot of vibrant, bright colored summer clothes. I'm gonna have to be really choosy with what I keep and what I don't keep. If it doesn't fit me, if I didn't wear it last year, or it doesn't make me feel confident in it, it's going. I used to hold on to pieces thinking maybe it'll fit again one day, or maybe I can find something to go with it, but I'm trying to be more intentional and more practical. It's kind of like content now that I think about it. If something doesn't reflect who you are now, it's okay to archive it and just move on. If you're in the season of a rebrand or changing your vibe, check out my Instagram revamp video where I get things ready for Q2. Those are my under the bed storage containers. So I found them on Amazon. If I can find the link, then I'll add them to the description, of course. But they're great because it keeps everything out of sight. It keeps your closet from being like crowded and packed so you can actually look at your items. So I definitely recommend it, and I also recommend doing it strategically. For example, my summer clothes are in them right now, but I know that I have one with bathing suit, shorts, summery pants, and then I have one with dresses and cute tops, and then I have like a miscellaneous one. Right now I have 3 because my summer clothes are smaller, and then when I had my winter clothes in them, it took up all 4. What I'm gonna do first is take down all of my winter clothes, roll them up, and then get them ready to go into these containers. I just want to clear the space in my closet before I start putting other things in there. And then these are all my clothes from my trip because I suck at unpacking. It's okay that we're getting it done.
But you know what? The diesel movie is out. Things. Good afternoon, evening. Oh, come on. No way. No. It'll be the most memorable 30 seconds of your life. Very special. Here's what I want.
I've pretty much finished. Well, not pretty much. I am done, thankfully. I wasn't like cleaning my closet too much per se, but I feel like this is good. I've got all my winter clothes and my under the bed storage things. I'm gonna go pop those under the bed, and then I am going to run to donate the clothes that I'm getting rid of, and then maybe I'll do a little shoppity shop while I'm there. Might as well, right?
But I just was obsessed with.
So I just finished up at the thrift store. I didn't find everything that I wanted, but I did get some really good things that I am excited about. Starting with this, when I saw this, I was like, it's a must. This PacSun shirt. Okay, this is the front. Cute, cute, right? And then look at the back. I am obsessed. A large, so it's oversized. PacSun, new with tags, $25 in store, $3.24. So that was a must. I didn't have to think about it. I picked it up instantly. Next, I got this like flannel type shirt. I just like the design and the colors. I feel like it's cool and funky. Like I could wear it with a nice black tank top or crop top, with some jeans or khakis and like all my gold accessories. This was $6.24, but red tags were 50% off, so it was what, $3.12. Look at me doing quick math. The last thing that I got that I'm excited about is this dress. It's a Calvin Klein dress. It was $7.24. So it has like this collar and then this really pretty gold accented zipper in the front. And it's just one of those dresses that kind of like go in and then go out some towards the bottom. But I just was obsessed with the color. The color drew me in. And then when I saw the zipper area, that sold it for me. I feel like that is so cute. I ended up spending $15 because I rounded up. So that's pretty good. $15 for a dress, a super cool shirt, and a cool flannel shirt. I think I did pretty good, if I say so myself. I'm also glad that I didn't splurge, because I hate when I like clean out my closet and then I literally fill it up again. At least now I have space to where I can get additional things if I want/need it. My closet feels lighter, my vibe feels refreshed, and now I'm officially ready for spring, just not all this pollen. This pollen can go. If this video gave you motivation to tackle some spring cleaning or do a closet refresh, comment spring refresh so I can know who my real ones are. Let me know what type of videos you want to see next. I'm always open to taking y'all with me anywhere I go, and I'll see you next week.